Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a startup. Well, this is a way to create entrepreneurship and innovation. It got the following characteristics. A startup is a human organization with a great capacity for change, which develops products or service of great innovation, highly desired or required by the market, where their design and marketing are oriented completely to the customer. It has a strong relationship with technology. They are generally characterized by being business with very innovative ideas and great disposition to innovate and satisfy market needs. Any business model created with design thinking or agile methodologies must create a startup that solves or improves people's lives. Well, so startups are something that are not brand new, but compared to the way that organizations used to be, change different kind of subjects and also elements that are very important. So the first thing that you need to know is that money is not the most important thing in a startup because nowadays, because we are in a era of a lot of technology, crowdfunding ways or ways to get money. If you have a really good idea, it's possible. Back in the day, that wasn't an option. If you didn't have money, you couldn't do anything. Also, startups are focused on group work. Group work is extremely important because it will allow you to create with some other entrepreneurs your organization. Innovation is very important because it will allow you to develop your business, focus on a real need, and have a really good value proposition. Also, you are using every single marketing and different ways to promote your business. The strategy is extremely important and is like the axis of create and develop something that can really help you to make bigger your business and the idea that you're working with. It's extremely important to understand that management is a very important component of create a good startup because it will allow you to focus your development in different ways. Research is extremely important because people will understand that the only way that my startup will continue growing up is that if I know what's going on and what's new in the world. Marketing go hand by hand with research because the strategies of promotion will change very continue. Technology, it's also very important component when you are focusing on develop a new idea, business idea, or company in general. So technology will help you in this process. Uh, Planning all your strategies and planning all the different components that you need to do is a key strategy in your development. So when you are developing a startup, so you start thinking that this development is multidisciplinary, is disruptive. It means it's not traditional. So you need to think outside of the box so you can create something different. It's emergent and your company will be focused not in repeat something that already exists, but in create something that is different and will help people's lives. Interdisciplinary is extremely important because it will allow you to work with people that have different backgrounds than you and will help you with different components and different elements that are extremely necessary to make a successful development. It's essential that any kind of startup is creative and has a focus on innovation because it will allow you to research and focus your ideas in different ways and make you understand better the components and the different things that you are doing. Any development has to be user-centered design. That is extremely important. Uh, of course, besides social media, you need to have a really good value proposition that makes different your company, your startup, because if you do something generic, you will get generic results. So you have to be innovator, and of course promote your company in all the different digital market channels and of course social network. As a conclusion, we can say that the startups that have been successful base their development in a great value proposal and something that the competitors cannot copy and cannot do. And even if they can, they cannot make the same. So you have to do something different that is easy to copy. These type of organizations can easily adapt to change, to reinvent itself, and to many eventualities. All startups were created, structured, and conceptualized with focus on agile methodologies and of course the user. That is very, very important. So I strongly recommend that any development, if you want, if you have a business idea and you are thinking how can you focus in something specific, I recommend that always value proposition is the most important thing before you develop your business plan. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.